Hey everyone, looking to raise funds for a great cause? Today we are going to show you how to easily create a stunning, customized fundraising campaign using the Better Payment Campaign Builder. Before we get started, make sure you have both the Better Payment Free and Pro plugins installed and active on your WordPress site. To create your new campaign, navigate to your WordPress sidebar, click on Better Payment, select Campaigns, and then hit Add New Campaign. This will take you to the template library. You can start entirely from scratch with a blank canvas or choose one of the beautiful pre-built templates designed for different causes. For this tutorial, we will use the Tree Plantation campaign. You can hover over it to preview the design, and if you like it, simply click Use this template. Now you are in the editor where you have full customization flexibility. First, let's rename our campaign. Click the edit icon in the top left corner, type in your new name, and click Update. Next, you can customize any element on the page. Just click on a specific field, like the campaign description, and edit your text directly in the right-hand panel. You can also easily drag and drop new fields from the Elements tab based on your needs, such as an image, a progress bar, a donate button, an organizer profile, or social sharing links. For the image element, choose your preferred image from the library. Once your design is looking great, click on the Settings tab at the top. From here, you can define your campaign goal amount, set an ending date, and configure your minimum donation options. If everything looks perfect, go ahead and click Publish to make your campaign live. Finally, let's take a quick look by hitting the Preview button. And that is it. You are ready to start collecting donations. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.